Man, are you kidding me right now? Man, are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me? We just got to Jacksonville. As soon as we got here, we pulled in the gate and there's a couple little drizzles. And I was like, oh, it's just a little drizzle. It's not bad, just a couple. Okay, we're going to be all right. Bam! The bottom fell out. Look at that. I was like, are you kidding me right now? This is just wild. If you're a drag racer this year, man, I don't know what to tell you. We picked the wrong sport for the last month. We have had rain every time we went to the drag strip. I mean, every time. So let's walk out there and take a look at the track. I mean, they've been working it. They've been prepping it. They have been putting in a lot of effort. They've been doing a lot of work. But we'll see how it goes. Rain is just going to cool it off. Should make it better as long as it goes away. The clouds, we got another little spot coming, it looks like, but hopefully we're gonna be all right. All right, we're at Jacksonville. We're gonna go testing tonight. We're on Radials. Really excited. Let's check it out. Comment, like, and subscribe. Appreciate it, guys. So right up here, it's got 200, almost to the half track of concrete. And then they've got brand new fresh asphalt. They had a no prep race down here last 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. We weren't able to make it. And but they got fresh new asphalt. Check it out. Man, it looks good. Oh, these raindrops are getting big. Luckily, it looks like the rain, once it gets gone, it's gonna hopefully get gone. Oh yeah, this looks nice. Can't feel any difference going from the concrete to the asphalt. Oh yeah, it's still hot. Cool, man, this looks good. Just gotta get rain out of the way. All right, guys, we're down here at Coastal Plains Dragway in Jacksonville, North Carolina. I want to go over the tree with you real fast. Top bulbs up here at the very top. This is your pre-stage bulbs. Stage is the second row, and then you have 3 ambers. 1, 2, 3, and then a green, and then a red. The goal is, when you take off, is to have the green light on and the red light off. Jennifer is going to kill Randy. That car is not supposed to be in the rain. Not supposed to be in the rain. Yep. Poor Randy. All right, looks like it is drying. The clouds have gone. What's happening? How are you? How are you? So Brandon is here. Randy's here. I think we hopefully might be okay. So once I get the track dry, we'll see what's happening. We gotta decide what we're gonna do for tune-up. I don't know what we're gonna do tune-up wise. We are on radials, so we need to try to make it go down on radials. So there might be some people on slicks, so that's fine too. So let's see what we can do. All right, guys. So there's a big cloud over there, but it looks like on the radar that's going away from us. Looks like they've got most of the track dry up here to this point. So obviously you got cracks that are expansion joints. So I got to get the water all out of that. Randy over there squeaking away already. This rocket track glue. Temperature's cooled down. Oh yeah, it feels sticky already. Pretty dry. We got the heater. Just gonna walk down there and take a look. Looking good. All right, boys, well, here we are. We're at half track, and I can feel the sticky. You can't see it really, but this is that fresh new asphalt. It does have a nice little coat of rubber on it. I can feel it. I can feel it on my feet. But if you look, they're having an issue with it getting dry. Obviously, when it rains late at night, you don't have the sun beating down on the track to help dry it. And so it looks like we're going to cancel tonight, just because, I mean, you know, you can see it lightning off in the distance. I don't think that's coming back through here, but it may. So it looks like testing, there is no testing tonight. So testing tune is done. Well, actually we had a race. We had a $1,000 race tonight too. And you see the humidity, same thing. Man, summertime has been brutal for us this year. Summertime, which it's rained everywhere. It has rained everywhere. And you see the concrete up there is dry. The asphalt is mostly dry, but there's still, you know, puddles in the middle. So it's still, you know, it's just not safe. There ain't nothing you can do about it. What can you do about it? I mean, it rained hard enough to make it so you can't race. So what can you do? And you can hear it. Man, it feels good. Yeah, a lot of lightning going on in the back. Oh yeah, look at that. So, all right, guys. Well, we wanted to go drag racing, but it ain't happening tonight. So, luckily it ain't super far, 100 miles away. But man, Randy, we've gotten wet everywhere. Where have we been to a track this year and not got wet?
I'm starting to think the only reason it did rain is because I'm here.
It started raining as soon as it was my fault this time. As soon as I pulled in the gate down there.
Half a mile down the road before I got here, it's not raining at all.
So it didn't rain any at all. We were a half a mile away from being able to race.
I drove this Jennifer's car, that's why it rained.
Yeah, that's right. Now you got to wash it.
Anyway.
Yeah, you got to wash it again. Oh, you ain't washed it yet.
Yeah, I have to wash it, but that's my ticket price to drive it.
You think she'll be upset if we go do donuts?
Yes.
I mean, we won't record it. Jennifer, if you're watching this, we're not going to go do donuts in your car right now.
Damn right we ain't.
We're not going to do it. I'll send you a video later.
I'm gonna stay married.
Appreciate it, guys. See y'all later.